Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm hoping that all of you will be safe and sound. Today our topic of discussion is adverbs of degree. What does it mean, adverbs of degree? Before talking about the adverbs of degree, we will recall our previous knowledge that what is an adverb. Here is the definition of an adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies, describes a verb. He sings loudly. An adjective like very tall. Another adverb ended too quickly. Or even a whole sentence. Fortunately, I had brought an umbrella. Adverbs often end in ly, but some, such as fast, look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. Example है Tom Longboard didn't run badly. Badly is an adverb because it is describing Tom's action, and action is run. He is running. Tom Longboard did not run badly. Tom is very tall. Very is an adverb. The race finished too quickly. And fortunately, Lucy recorded Tom's win. So, now we are able to describe what are adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity of something. Adverbs of degree are usually placed before the adjective, adverb or verb that they modify, although there are some exceptions. The words too, enough, very and extremely are examples of adverbs of degree. Here is the usage of adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. Here are some adverbs of degree that they modifies along with the examples. Extremely modifies the adjective, like the water was extremely cold. Quite, adjective, the movie is quite interesting. Just modifies the verb, he was just leaving. Almost, it also modifies the verb, she has almost finished. Very describes the adverb, she is running very fast. Too, adverb, it modifies the adverb, you are walking too slowly. Enough also modifies the adverb, you are running fast enough. So students, keeping in mind the whole definition of adverbs of degrees and the adverbs of degrees list, you will solve this worksheet number 1 that is present in your support pack. You, with the help of answer keys or with the help of this definition, you will solve this worksheet number 1. Now here's the time for the another task. Another task was paragraph writing. In your resource pack, you may say support pack, you will find another worksheet number 2 regarding paragraph writing. You have to write about the your favorite food. What is written there? My favorite food. Write a paragraph on the following topic. My favorite food. You have to write about your favorite food, like what type of food you like the most, is it healthy or not healthy, it is. So students, you have to write in detail that what are the basic ingredients of the food. Is it Pakistani cuisine or some other country's cuisine? Like paragraph, the paragraph must be relevant to the topic. Show some activity and creativity. Sentences structure must be well formed. Use the punctuation and write the correct spellings too. Along with that, you have to use the sensory details, like how it looks, how it tastes and how it smells. Keeping in mind all these details, you people will write the paragraph. I hope you will create something that is exceptional and you may say very interesting and appealing to read. Okay students, I hope you will do your best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.